Welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia, and today we're talking about Avalanche, AVAX, and where it might be heading in 2025 and beyond. Is this one of the most scalable blockchain projects of our time? Or is it destined to remain in Ethereum's shadow? Let's unpack the data, the developments, and the outlook for AVAX in the years ahead. What is Avalanche? Avalanche is not just another blockchain. It's a Layer 1 smart contract platform built for speed, scalability, and low fees. It was designed to compete directly with Ethereum, but with a twist. Avalanche operates using a unique three-chain architecture. The X chain handles asset creation and transfer. The C chain supports smart contracts and dApps. The P chain manages validators and custom subnets. This architecture makes Avalanche fast, really fast. We're talking thousands of transactions per second, finality in under 2 seconds, and transaction fees that won't leave you bleeding gas. That's a solid infrastructure, and it's one reason Avalanche continues to attract developers and investors alike. AVAX performance so far. Let's take a quick look at how AVAX has performed. 2021 bull run. AVAX surged to around $146, riding the wave of investor excitement and institutional interest. 2022 bear market. Like the rest of the market, AVAX took a beating, dropping below $20. 2023 to 2024. The recovery was steady, with AVAX trading mostly in the $10 to $30 range. That's where we stand today. So, where do we go from here? What could drive AVAX in 2025? Let's explore 5 critical factors that could either catapult or constrain Avalanche over the next year and beyond. 1. Institutional adoption and strategic partnerships. Avalanche isn't just popular among DeFi enthusiasts, it's making moves in the enterprise world too. Deloitte used Avalanche to streamline disaster recovery efforts. Lemon Cash integrated Avalanche for digital banking in Latin America. And Avalanche subnets have started gaining traction in GameFi and metaverse projects. If this momentum continues and more enterprises deploy on Avalanche, we could see demand for AVAX ramp up fast. 2. The growth of DeFi and NFTs on Avalanche. Platforms like Trader Joe, Banky, and Pangolin are household names in Avalanche DeFi. Avalanche's speed and low fees make it attractive for everything from liquidity, mining to lending protocols. The NFT space is expanding too, with artists and creators leveraging Avalanche for cheaper minting and faster settlement. If DeFi rebounds in 2025 and NFT interest continues growing, Avalanche is in a good position to benefit. 3. Ethereum 2.0, friend or foe. Ethereum's transition to proof of stake and roll-ups has definitely improved scalability, but its gas fees are still a problem. Avalanche's lower fees and higher throughput give it an edge, especially for developers looking for an Ethereum alternative. However, if Ethereum continues to dominate the smart contract market, Avalanche could have trouble growing beyond its current footprint. A lot depends on how both ecosystems evolve over the next year. 4. Regulatory environment. Like every other crypto asset, AVAX is vulnerable to regulation. A favorable stance from US and global regulators could open the floodgates for institutional money. But if the hammer drops, think tighter KYC rules or asset classification changes, it could limit AVAX's upside. 5. Bitcoin halving in the market cycle. Let's not forget the big picture. Bitcoin's next halving is scheduled for 2024. Historically, that's been a precursor to a major crypto bull run. If Bitcoin surges in 2025, AVAX, like most altcoins, could ride the wave. AVAX price predictions for 2025. Let's get to the big question. Where might AVAX be heading? Bullish scenario, $100 to $200. If adoption accelerates, DeFi returns, and crypto sentiment goes risk on, AVAX could revisit its all-time highs and even push beyond. Moderate scenario, $50 to $100. This assumes steady adoption, a stable macro environment, and decent growth in Avalanche's ecosystem. It's realistic, especially if Bitcoin leads the charge. Bearish scenario, $30 to $50. Increased competition from Solana, Ethereum, or even newer blockchains could stall Avalanche's growth. Combine that with regulatory headwinds or market stagnation, and AVAX may struggle to break out. Telescope longer term forecast 2026 to 2030. Beyond 2025, the sky's the limit if Avalanche keeps building. Subnets and modular blockchain architecture could attract enterprise developers. GameFi, DeFi, and cross-chain communication will be crucial battlegrounds. If Avalanche becomes the go-to infrastructure for scalable apps, $300 to $500 AVAX isn't out of the question. But that's contingent on execution. Crypto moves fast, and new contenders emerge constantly. Is AVAX a smart investment? It depends on your strategy. Here's the breakdown. Pros: fast and scalable technology, low fees, great for developers and users, growing ecosystem and strong development team, real institutional partnerships. Risks: regulatory uncertainty, heavy competition from Ethereum, Solana, and others, crypto market volatility. As always, never invest more than you can afford to lose and diversify your portfolio. Want to trade AVAX without high fees? If you're looking to trade AVAX and capitalize on its price movements without owning the underlying asset, consider trading AVAX CFDs with crystalballmarkets.com. CFDs let you go long or short, use leverage, and trade on a secure, low-spread platform. No need for wallets or blockchain fees. Just smart, efficient trading. Visit crystalballmarkets.com and start trading AVAX CFDs today. Final thoughts. Avalanche has shown it can compete with the biggest names in blockchain. It's fast, it's scalable, and it's building real-world use cases. Whether or not AVAX hits $200 in 2025 will depend on adoption, market cycles, and how well Avalanche competes in a rapidly evolving space. Stay informed, stay strategic, and remember, the best traders aren't just lucky, they're prepared. Thanks for tuning in to Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia, and I'll catch you in the next episode. Until then, trade smart and stay sharp.